If you've decided to cancel your iCloud free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure it's done correctly. This guide will help you navigate the cancellation process easily. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and subscriptions. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and select the Subscriptions option. Here, you will find a list of all your active and expired subscriptions. Step 4. Find iCloud free trial. Look for the iCloud subscription in the list. Tap on it to view the details of your subscription, including the trial period. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Tap on the Cancel Subscription option. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure your iCloud free trial is cancelled. After following these steps, your iCloud free trial will be successfully cancelled. Remember to check your subscription status to ensure it reflects the cancellation.